Is mobile user interface. This is week 3. I wanted to briefly go over some of the data, my results that I had found from my usability testing. First of all, what you see here is the pre-qualifying questionnaire, and I found that what seemed like more people filled this out than the second one, which was surprising. A few basic questions I wanted to know is how often do they use their phone for other tasks? And out of the 8 people that filled out this questionnaire, 7 of them do, which is great. And the second was, are you responsible for vehicle maintenance? About half were and half were not. What I was looking for is, were they my target audience? My target audience is the person who's responsible for vehicle maintenance in the household. So about half of the participants that I surveyed or that filled out this form said that they were. What type of apps do you use most? Well, according to the 8 people that filled them out, social is a big one. Utilities, games is a pretty good chunk, and productivity. Sports was on the short side. Now I want to go to follow-up questions. Now here it says, as you can see, that only 5 people filled this out. So somewhere there was a disconnect, either in my instructions where I laid it out on what order to go through, or they just didn't complete it. So not sure what the case was. I'm going to do some more follow-up and see if I can get some more feedback. What you'll see here is some questions that I put in here that I thought were really important. It only allowed me to display on the report 3 different widgets. That's what I could figure out with Wufoo Forms. So all the data is there. It's just it only allows me to see this or to display this in this report without paying for an advanced copy. Willing to purchase additional hardware to maintain their vehicle or to keep from having to enter data repetitively. Looks like 60% may be willing to, and 40%, which is 2 of them, said yes. An app that helps you easily track and maintain your vehicle maintenance and repairs be useful. 60% or 3 entries said yes, it would be useful. So good findings there, although I hope to do some more detailed and more thorough testing. Right here I have one that said they don't own a vehicle, so not sure how they got in there. And then 20% said no, which was 1. So it's kind of hard with this low of numbers to really get a good idea, but this gave me a great insight into the process. Down here we see, what method do you currently use to record car repairs and maintenance? I wanted to know, how are they doing it now? What method are they using? Are they not writing it down at all? Are they using just a paper notebook or their computer or some form of digital notes? Out of those 5 people, scary but true, 2 people said they don't write it down at all. Another 2 people said a notebook. Not surprising there. What I was surprised was that more people didn't use the digital version, like your phone or some form of digital notes. Have a better understanding of what to do next time. Hope this has been beneficial in seeing what results I got and comparing those to what you've got if you've done this. So I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.
Thank you.